guy who wanted to sign Kendrick Lamar back in the day before he was Kendrick Lamar, or is it just a convenient thing to say today because he is?
As you can see, my people.
And then possibly dissing Jay-Z with that button-up shirts and Maybach line. About a month after the game's debut, the documentary is released. Jay-Z goes up with Rockefeller to Hot 97 to spit a freestyle.
Hey, Buddha, how you doing? As you can see, my people, over here, hii kitu imeng'oka yote, and here it is, man. Yote, and the contacts were even what's the right word? So as you can see, even the contacts were ripped off because the one who was using the charger was very forceful, aliingiza na nguvu. They were very what's the right word? They were not gentle enough when inserting the charger inside. Yeah, so itabidi tutengeneze bana, itabidi tutengeneze.